Hello everyone, my name is Evan Johnson and I'm Country Manager of America here at Admitad. So today we're going to talk about affiliate marketing, its history, and the players, who are publishers and advertisers, what they want from affiliate marketing, and what do they do. So let's start. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing provides an opportunity to those who have blogs, YouTube channels, or other websites to earn rewards by promoting products and services of different companies. For example, a blog promotes Amazon products and earns a commission on sales. Now that we know what affiliate marketing is, let's take a look at its brief history and how it all started. The first affiliate program was invented by the owner of PC, Flowers, and Gift Shops, William Tobin, in 1989. He created an affiliate program using the Prodigy system, in which the companies shared a commission from each sale. And by 1992, the program had brought sales of more than $6 million. The first global affiliate program was created by Amazon in 1996. It was named the Associates Program, and it allowed users to register and get an affiliate link to place on their websites. The users then received rewards for placing the links on their website. Later, many affiliate networks took this model as a foundation of their work. In 1998, 5 students from a California university created the first affiliate network, Commission Junction. Later this year, ClickBank, a similar affiliate network, was founded. There are currently several major affiliate networks operating in the US market, including CJ, ShareASale, Linkshare, and Admitad. Let's take a brief look at the history of Admitad. The founder of Admitad, Alexander Bachman, has worked on the internet since he was 15. When he was 19, he created the company BinLayer, which was in the list of the top 10 publishers in the affiliate network Xanox. In August 2009, he started developing the Admitad platform, with the first large clients joining in 2010. Around 600 employees presently work in the company, with 7 offices around the world. Total sales in 2018 were around $3.4 billion. Okay, enough of history. Let's talk about who are the players in affiliate marketing and what do they do. So, advertisers. Almost any company present on the internet can be an advertiser. It can be a bank, an online shop, game, travel companies, or others that want to sell their goods or services on the internet. Of course, these companies have their own marketing and PR developments which are in charge of promotion. But usually, these departments are not capable of handling every single promotional channel, and they need help to test new channels in a low-risk way. Companies also need help in attracting clients who will perform the target actions. For example, buying a product, subscribing to newsletters, entering their personal data, installing an application, or something else. These companies are ready to reward those who attract people to do these target actions. Typically, the reward is a fixed sum or a percentage of the purchase amount. This is the origin of the CPA, or cost per action, business model. Publishers. These are the users of the internet who are ready to attract customers to advertisers. A publisher can be a company or a person who has traffic or knows how to generate it. For example, if a person has a Facebook group, a blog, or a YouTube channel with a loyal audience, it means that he or she has traffic. But if a person doesn't have a public page, however, they know how to use contextual ads, it means that they can generate traffic. Advertisers need publishers to attract customers and to drive sales. And each publisher should find the target audience, or the traffic, who will be potentially interested in performing a target action. For example, buying a product on the advertiser's website. But publishers also need to find the advertisers who are ready to pay. To do so, they register as publishers in affiliate networks like Admitad and register their ad space, for example, a YouTube channel, or the means of how they attract traffic. So let's sum it up a little. A publisher is a person or a company who is ready to promote an advertiser's products or services, and they will attract customers who perform these target actions. The publisher does this in order to receive a reward. So here's an example of a social media influencer using affiliate marketing. And here's an example of one of our largest cashback publishers, Lady Shops. An affiliate network. An affiliate network is a special platform where publishers and advertisers meet to start working together. Networks have an advantage in that they provide publishers with an opportunity to join many advertisers in one place, and vice versa, as an advertiser can work with hundreds or thousands of publishers at once. An affiliate network also collects statistics and tracks which publisher attracted which target action. Each publisher generates unique affiliate links which have all the data about a promoted product, the ad space of the publisher, and so on. This link helps the network track the action. The affiliate network also monitors the quality of work for all parties. It makes sure that publishers drive high-quality traffic and that advertisers pay the rewards for attracted actions. Now, let's check out what the affiliate network does for each party, for publishers and advertisers. For the publishers, a network provides the opportunity to create affiliate links. As I've mentioned, an affiliate link can prove which publisher drove a target action and thus who deserves the reward. An affiliate network makes sure that all the actions are tracked properly. An affiliate network shares statistics and reports. Generally, only advertisers have statistics of all the actions because they are performed on their websites. However, Admatad provides its own reports on clicks, actions, and purchase amounts. An affiliate network provides necessary tools. For example, tags such as sub-ID for affiliate links to help differentiate ad campaigns. Or a deep link, which lets publishers generate a link directly on the product page instead of on the advertiser's main page. Some advertisers provide coupons and promo codes to publishers so that they can motivate their audience to buy products by sharing discounts. All of these tools make a publisher's work easier. An affiliate network helps advertisers conduct order verification. So Admatad, together with the advertisers, checks how many actions were driven by each publisher and how much an advertiser should pay the publisher. An affiliate network pays the reward. The affiliate network handles all the financial processes so that publishers don't need to worry about them. When advertisers approve the actions driven by publishers, the reward appears in the publisher's personal account. Publishers can then withdraw this money using different payment methods. The available methods depend on the citizenship of the publisher. Admatad also solves controversial situations. So the affiliate network makes sure that each party works honestly, so that advertisers don't shave and that publishers don't scam. Shaving is a process where advertisers decline the real orders in order not to pay publishers. Pretty dirty. If advertisers do that, then they'll be disconnected from the affiliate network. An affiliate network also makes sure that all affiliate programs are legitimate and that the products of advertisers can be sold. Finally, an affiliate network provides a wide selection of affiliate programs in one place. What does Admatad provide to advertisers? Admatad helps to define the terms of cooperation and choose the right pricing model. Online shops generally use the CPA model, again, cost per action, paying a reward for a sale. Online services use a CPL, cost per lead, so they pay for a filled out application. And mobile apps usually use CPI, cost per install. However, there can be other options. Admatad provides several integration methods which allow advertisers and Admatad to track which publisher drove which sales or actions. Admitad also provides a personal account with transparent reports and statistics. Admitad monitors traffic quality, making sure that the publishers drive traffic which complies with the advertiser's requirements. We also provide an opportunity to work with hundreds or thousands of publishers. Okay, I guess it's clear what an affiliate network does. Now, let's see how it all works and what each party does. So, an online shop sells clothes and shoes. The company has a wide range of goods that should be sold. The company is ready to pay 10% of the purchase amount to anybody who attracts sales, which is why the online shop joins the affiliate network Admitad as an advertiser. Then, the network creates an affiliate program with all the terms of cooperation, the action which should be performed, the reward, the allowed traffic sources, and the description. Publishers of Admitad see the affiliate program, and if they're interested in cooperation, they join the advertiser. After that, they start promoting the advertiser's goods to their audience and sharing affiliate links. Customers then like the promoted products and click on the affiliate link to buy. The online shop then conducts verification to check that the publisher really attracted this sale and that the customer hasn't returned the product. Great! After this verification, the publisher gets his reward. Thus, we can see that the affiliate network is in the middle of this cooperation and helps publishers and advertisers to meet and productively work together. As a result, advertisers get new customers and sales, and publishers get their reward. Why do we say that everyone should work honestly? Well, if each party doesn't violate their rules, their cooperation will be much more effective and profitable. Otherwise, everyone will lose money. For example, if a publisher scams and drives low-quality traffic, then the network will find out and decline all of the orders. Then, the publisher won't get his reward. On the other hand, if the advertiser shaves and declines the orders, publishers will simply stop working with the company, and so the advertiser will lose money and sales. Plus, the network might disconnect them. This is why it's in everyone's best interest to work together honestly. So, we found out what affiliate marketing is. Now, let's check how to choose a good and reliable affiliate network. So, how long has it been working? The longer a network has been present in the market, the better. This means that it is a stable and reliable partner. Reputation and awards. If you see that different companies and agencies gave awards to a company, it means that the network works well and successfully helps companies. You can check their customers and clients. Read some forum reviews. Check yourself to see if the statistics are transparent and that the personal account is convenient. Analyze their tracking quality, their technical support. What are their work conditions? Rewards, cookies, hold time. What kind of tools does the network provide? And what are the opportunities to develop inside of that network? So here at Admitad, we don't work with certain categories of goods. For example, low quality goods. By this, we mean that we don't accept advertisers whose products are not reliable and we're not sure about their quality. We don't work with online casinos, betting, gambling, or adults. All right, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure with you, and have a good one.